here's what happened. On this chipper, these chains are in here spinning, and they debarked the tree. And what had happened was, it got clogged. A tree wrapped around it, stopped it from working, got everything bound up in there, and I couldn't get trees to go through this wood chipper. So I set my GoPro up as I was working on it. Now I set it up. When I set it up on that piece of steel above that door's open. I set it up there. Had it pointed down in. And somewhere along the line, something caught it. And that's when it got wrapped in there. And you get to see just how strong the GoPro is, getting smacked around by flail chains that are inside of a chipper. So here's what happened. Mercy. This could be interesting. Never seen this before. That is a bad, bad, bad thing. Well, let's get her cleaned out. That's a rat's nest. Woo. That's my problem, I think, right there. I think that's wrapped around here. haystack. I'm missing my magnet and my GoPro adapter for my microphone. Gotta be quick. This is the old GoPro. You can tell she's smashed up a little bit there. She's busted up where she got hit by the chains. And what I have is a microphone that goes, a mic that goes on here, but it won't go on there now because this is bent down. That goes on there, and then I have to have an adapter that goes from this to go in the GoPro, which obviously now is all busted, jacked up. Now, let me adjust you a little bit here. The microphone is the main thing with this because that's why I have this protective case on there, is for the microphone, that Rode mic. And what happened was I lost my adapter and my, let's see here, I got another one. Hold up. Where'd you go? Oh, you're on it. Hold on. That right there is a magnet, a big heavy-duty magnet, and that's what I use about 50% of the time with the GoPro, is that magnet up there. So that's gone. I don't know where that went. So I lost that. Whatever. But I have another case like this at home, and the case saved the GoPro without a doubt. So I will be throwing that on that GoPro there. I'm actually, why are you recording here too? I don't want to record. So let's open her up here and look in here. yeah, it's just dirty. It's just dirty, and that glass is broke. And this comes off, and you can replace, I believe, a replaceable screen for it. So, that's junk. This is junk, which really bums me out. But yeah, I will always use these from now on when it comes to GoPro instead of the plastic one that comes with it. Anywho, hope you all enjoyed the video. Yeah, it's flail chain. GoPro got involved with the chipper and jacked it up. So smash the thumbs up button. If you give me if we can get 1,000 thumbs up, this is what I'll do. We'll get some more flail chain video without breaking the GoPro, hopefully. 1,000 thumbs up, then we'll do it. If it hits 1,000, I wanna it'll be well worth the little click. It'll be well worth it, because when you see what that chain that this went through was on idle. So once she's revved up and the trees are going through there, it is nasty to see. And maybe we'll throw a camera in and watch the wood hit the chipper disc. Anywho, smash it. I'm out of here. Another busted thing this week. Been a bad week. Hopefully you all have a much wonderful week than this. It's just money, right? You know, it's just money. That's what it boils down to. That's one thing I've learned in the last couple of years is money is just that. It's just money. Seeing my wife smile is there's not, money can't touch that. Or going fishing. I've been going fishing with the kids a lot. Going fishing with the kids, money's money. That other stuff is better than money. Period. That stuff is what life's all about, is your family. So anyways, that's dollar bills, y'all. It's just dollar bills. Anyways, you guys all, I'm out of here. See you later. Chipster, stay safe. And we'll see you on the next one. Who knows what'll happen around here? Who knows? I don't know. I don't want to say anything because I could hit a deer on the way home. Anyways, I'm done.